The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 8. This is Program 15. Lesson topic, have you ever traveled by bus? Produced by Surafel Zode.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to our English by radio programs for the second semester. Students, do you remember my name? What's my name? Yes, my name is Hailu, your radio teacher. And do you remember my friends? What are their names? All right, here they are.
Hi friends, I'm Azeb.
Hello friends, I'm Tola.
Students, I hope you remember all of us now. Today, we begin the English lessons for the second semester.
Hailu, why don't we begin with the Hello song?
Oh, what a nice idea. Students, do you remember the Hello song? All right. Listen to Azeb and Tola singing. Then you will sing with them. Listen. Students, do you remember the song? All right, let's sing it together. Group 1 students sing with Tola and Group 2 sing with Azeb. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, students. We'll sing the song again later. Students, can you tell us what you did in your vacation? All right. Just first listen to Tola and Azeb telling each other what they did in their vacation. Listen.
Tola?
Yes, Azeb.
Did you go home for your vacation?
Oh, no. I stayed here with my uncle.
Really?
Yeah.
Students, did Tola go home for his vacation? Azeb?
No, he didn't go home.
Yes, I didn't go home, but I stayed here with my uncle.
Students, with whom will I stay here?
With his uncle.
Students, with whom did Tola stay here? Yes, he stayed here with his uncle.
Azeb, did you also stay here?
Oh, no, I went Harar.
Students, did Azeb also stay here?
No, she didn't.
No, she didn't. So, where did she go for her vacation, students? Tola?
She went to Harar.
Students, where did she go? Yes, she went to Harar. Students, now listen to Tola and Azeb telling me what they did for their vacation. Listen. Azeb?
Yes, Hailu?
What did you do on your vacation?
I did many things.
Can you tell me some?
Yes, I visited my grandmother.
Uh-huh.
I planted flowers in our garden.
Okay.
I read English books.
Very good, Azeb. Now, Tola, what did you do on your vacation?
I visited the National Museum.
Uh-huh.
I played football with my friends.
Okay.
I read short stories.
That's very good. Thank you, Tola and Azeb. Students, now tell your teacher what you did on your vacation. Teacher, Please ask your students one by one what they did on their vacation. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now do the same in your pairs. Tell your partner where you went and what you did on your vacation. Teacher, please help your students in taking turns. You have about 1.5 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song together. But now, Group 1 sing with Azeb and Group 2 with Tola. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3. That's very good, students. Students, now listen to Tola and Azeb. Listen.
Tola, have you ever been to Harar?
Yes.
When?
Last year.
Students, has Tola been to Harar? Azeb?
Yes, he has been to Harar.
Yes, Tola has been to Harar. Azeb, please ask Tola again.
Tola, have you ever been to Harar?
Students, repeat Azeb's question. Say, have you ever been to Harar? Students, again say, have you ever been to Harar?
Yes.
When?
Last year.
Last year?
Yes, I went to Harar last year. Azeb, have you ever seen the Awash River?
Students, say, have you ever seen the Awash River? Students, again say, have you ever seen the Awash River? Very good, students. Now listen again to Azeb and Tola. Then you'll do like them. Now listen.
Azeb, have you ever seen the Awash River?
Yes.
When?
Last month. I saw it last month.
I see.
Tola, have you ever traveled by plane?
Yes.
When?
6 months ago. I traveled by plane 6 months ago.
That's good, Tola and Azeb. Let me ask you now. Azeb, have you ever read a fiction?
Yes.
When?
Yesterday. I read a fiction yesterday.
Tola, have you ever visited a museum?
Yes.
When?
In January. I visited a museum in January.
Good. Now, Azeb, have you ever spoken to a foreigner?
Yes.
When?
2 days ago.
Good. Tola, have you ever drunk beer?
No.
Oh, good. But have you ever drunk orange juice?
Yes.
When?
Yesterday. I drank it yesterday.
That's very good, Tola and Azeb. Students, now tell your teacher if you have ever done certain things and when you did them. Teacher, please ask your students one by one if they have done certain things. And if they respond yes, ask them when. Then they reply in the simple past tense. Listen to this example first. Listen. Azeb, have you ever gone to the stadium?
Yes.
When?
Last week. I went to the stadium last week.
Good. Teacher, now do in the same way. You have about 1.5 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, that's all we have for you for today.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
You've been listening to English for Grade 8, Program 15, written and produced by Srafil Zode. Join us again next week in Program 16. Till then, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.